remove removes the item with a specified value. So remove is just like removing the item with a specified value. So first we need to put the variable which is yung color. So color dot remove. So you can identify, or so you can choose whatever you want to remove in the list. So I choose blue. So let's print the color. So let's run our program. So as you can see in our list, new list is the blue is now gone because we removed the color blue in our list. So next is count. So count returns the number of element with a specified value. So yung count is nagka-count ng mga list na may pare-parehong value sa ating list. So siya yung nagka-count kung meron bang magkapareho na value sa ating list. So for example, dadagdagan natin yung list natin, so which is red. Dalawang red yung dinagdag natin kasi nga ating i-count yung may kaparehong value sa loob ng ating list. So first we need to put variable which is yung color. So value ng ating color na variable is yung color na may list. So dadagdagan lang natin ng dot count. So sa loob ng parentheses is lalagyan natin yung i-count natin na value sa ating list which is yung red. So red yung ating i-count. So ipiprint na natin. So print color. So ipiprint natin yung color na ito. Color na ito. So ito yung ipiprint natin, so which is yung red. So yung red na color yung i-count natin. So yan, let's run our program. So 3. So as you can see, 3 yung kinount niya kasi nga sa list natin is may tatlong red. So kaya tatlo yan is tatlong red yung kinount niya. So another list method, so extend method add the element of a list or any iterable to the end of the current list. So i-add niya lang yung list into another list. So kailangan dalawa yung ating list. So naglagay ako dito ng isang variable which is yung color 2. So consists of black color and violet color. So yung color 2 is i-add natin sa first na variable which is yung color. So i-add natin gamit yung extend na list method. So now we call the variable color and put that extend. So extend, so ano yung i-extend natin? So ilalagay natin kung ano yung i-extend natin, so which is yung color to kasi nga yun yung i-extend natin. So yung color 2 which is yung black and violet, so idadagdag natin siya sa last ng list sa color na variable. So let's print now. So print color. So if we run this program, so as you can see, the orange, blue, pink, black is the new list in a color natin na variable. So may black and violet na color sa ating first variable. So yan lang paggamit ng extend na list method. So let's have another list method, which is yung index. So index method in lists return the index of the first list with a specified value. So ganito lang yung gawin nyo guys. Ipiprint nyo lang, print color.index, tapos yung color na i-index mo. So color blue yung in-index ko. So ipara natin yung program. So the result is 2 guys, kasi nga blue yung in-index natin. So pag magbilang ka sa ating list is dapat mag-start ka sa 0. So red is 0, orange is 1, and blue is 2. So the result is 2. So index ng blue is 2. Let's try to index red guys. So if we run this program, so red yung i-index natin ngayon. So kapag pinaran natin yung program is the result is 0. Kasi nga sa ating list magsisimula yung counting is sa 0. So everything's began with 0. Another list method na naman guys, which is yung insert. So insert, add element at the specified position. So mag-a-add ka ng element guys kung saan mo gusto i-add. So gamitin mo lang yung insert. Example, color. So color dot insert. So i-insert mo yung anong color na gusto mo. So ilalagay ko guys kung anong color na gusto kong idadagdag. So black. So black yung napili kong idadagdag guys. Print natin. Print color. So specifican ko ilalagay yung color black. So sa ikatlo guys, sa blue, between blue and pink guys. So if we run this program, so again guys, so as you can see, red, orange, blue, black, pink. So red is 0, orange is 1, blue is 2, and black now is 3. So instead na pink is yung 3, so ngayon black na. So kapag gusto nyo i-change yung ano guys, so pwede. So for yung change kung na section sa black, so ayan, nalagay siya sa last. We have another list method guys. So pop. So pop is remove the element at the section. So dito naman guys, pwede mong i-remove yung list gamit yung pop. So specific gusto mong color yung i-remove natin. So yan guys, for example, color dot pop. So ilalagay mo yung kung saan mo gustong i-remove natin guys. So as you remember, red is 0, 1 is orange yung i-remove natin. So print lang natin yung color. So ayan guys, wala na yung orange kasi nga yun yung ni-remove natin sa 1. So ayan guys, na wala na yung orange na color. So let's have another list method guys, reverse. So reverse the order of the list. So i-reverse na lang yung sa color natin. So ayan guys, so reverse. So color dot reverse. So ayan, i-reverse lang natin. Huwag nyo kalimutan yung parenthesis guys. So ipiprint na natin. So print i-print natin yung color. So if we run this program, so ay na-reverse na siya guys. So sa last method natin, yung pink is nasa last, ngayon is nasa una na. So blue is nasa second to the last, ngayon is nasa second na. Yung orange na second, so tatlo na. So sa red is naging last na, so reversed guys. So we have another last method guys. So sorting the list. So yung sort guys is kasunod-sunod niya yung list natin, which is alphabetically guys. Kung sa string natin alphabetically, so kung sa number is sa start, so 1 and so forth. So ngayon, so tatawagin natin yung variable natin. So color dot sort, so open parentheses, and let's print our color. Print natin yung original na color guys, which is yung red, orange, blue, and pink. So original color yung i-print natin dito guys, para mas sabotable guys. So next is i-print natin color. So sorted color. So let's try to run this program. So ayan guys, yung blue na yung nasa una kasi nga. So kung sa alphabet is B yung nauna, so sunod yung orange and pink and red. So kung kakatahin mo yung alphabet song guys, is yung blue yung nauna, sunod yung orange, sunod yung pink, at saka red. Yan lang guys kung mag-sort kayo ng list guys. So pwede sa string and number.